In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to upload new signature templates and how to assign companies in the library. In order for your users to have signature templates available from which they can create their signature using Empower Mails, these templates must have been uploaded by the administrators in advance. We recommend that you finalize your template with regard to all your company's brand guidelines before uploading it. You can change and customize it easily and simply within Microsoft Word. Once you're happy with the template, the upload can begin. To do this, click on Manage Signature Templates within the Empower group in Microsoft Outlook. The Empower library will then open. Then click on Create Template to select the signature template and confirm with a click on Open. The signature template will now open and any final adjustments, e.g. adding a campaign field, can be made. We are satisfied with our template here at this point and confirm the upload with Save Template. After a few seconds, the view within the Empower library updates automatically. Then check whether the display name is unique and adjust it if necessary. For your users to have the possibility to select this file as a template for their own signatures, the folder in which the signature template is located must now be assigned to the companies for which it may be used. To do this, simply select the relevant folder and click on Assign to Companies. In the dialog window that opens, you can now select the companies for which the users should have access to the signatures contained. Good to know. The companies shown here are those that originate from the company administration. The assignment to the respective companies takes place at folder level and is therefore identical for all signature templates in the same folder. Would you like to override an existing template, for example, because a new campaign field is to be inserted or deleted? In this case, simply select the template to be changed and click on Edit in Word. The desired template will then open and you can customize and save it as usual. Now feel free to test these functions yourself and save valuable time. For more information on Empower Mails, please check out our other tutorials.